Have you ever wondered why a single person can build an AI business that generates hundreds of thousands of dollars, while massive companies with entire teams struggle to make a fraction of this? What if I told you there's an AI tool that's pulling in 3.7 million visitors every month, generating over 40 million page views, and they're literally throwing away $140,000 in potential monthly revenue because they refuse to add one simple feature that takes less than 10 minutes to implement? I'm talking about a business model so profitable that one AI tool can replace an entire marketing agency, yet 99% of people have never heard of it. But here's what's really insane. The company I reverse engineered is leaving more money on the table every single month than most people make in an entire year. And I'm about to show you exactly how to build the same system but capture every dollar they're missing. For the past 3 months, I've been obsessively studying this one AI business, breaking down their traffic patterns, analyzing their subscription model, and figuring out exactly why they're generating tens of thousands of dollars monthly with what appears to be a simple tool. What I discovered will completely change how you think about online business forever. This isn't another get-rich-quick scheme or some complicated dropshipping model that requires inventory and customer service headaches. Now, we're talking about a subscription-based AI business that practically runs itself. And the best part, you don't need any coding experience. You don't need to build websites from scratch, and you definitely don't need a team of developers burning through your budget. In the next 12 minutes, I'm gonna walk you through the exact step-by-step process of how I built my own version of this AI goldmine. How AI does literally all the technical work while you focus on the money-making activities. And most importantly, how to connect Stripe to start collecting those recurring subscription payments that turn into serious monthly income. But here's the kicker. I'm also going to reveal the one massive opportunity they're completely blind to. The same opportunity that could add an extra $140,000 to your monthly revenue once you understand how to implement it correctly. This is information they clearly don't want you to know, because if everyone started doing this, their monopoly would be over. Important disclaimer, building an online business and making money online isn't easy, despite what other YouTubers are saying. When I show you how to build an online business, I'm demonstrating the technical process and potential, not guaranteeing you results. These AI tools are legit and the techniques work, but success depends on your execution, timing, and honestly, some luck. Most online businesses don't make money immediately, and many don't make money at all. I'm not promising you'll get rich or quit your job. This isn't financial advice or a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm just showing you what's possible with these tools. What you do with that knowledge is entirely up to you. Alright, expectations set. Let's continue to building the one-person business. This walkthrough is all about recreating a powerful web app for meetings transcription and summarization, something that functions like nada but built entirely using Replit and OpenAI. The goal is to build a tool that lets users upload audio or video files, get fast and accurate transcriptions, and generate instant meeting summaries. Let's start with the core setup. We're going to tell the AI, build a powerful web app for AI-powered audio transcription and meeting summaries. Users should be able to upload audio or video files, or record live meetings. The app will convert recordings into searchable text using AI. Include a dashboard to manage uploaded files, view transcripts, and summaries. After that, the system generates a dashboard-centric layout. The main interface features an upload section where users can drag and drop files or record meetings on the spot. Right after transcription, each audio or video file is stored alongside searchable text. Each transcript displays clear status indicators, timestamps, and gives users instant access to both the full transcript and the summary. Everything is structured for easy review and follow-up. The file system is set up to support cloud storage fallback in case of network issues. There's also basic session caching to help with offline recovery if something goes wrong during the process. And because people are going to use this tool on different devices, the layout is responsive. This means it automatically adjusts to work smoothly on both desktop and mobile browsers. Now, here we run into an issue during testing. After we upload a file, an error pops up. We'll tell Replit, I uploaded a file but there was an error. Replit will then trace the issue and find that it's caused by incorrect file path handling. Once the bug is identified, the system will resolve it, and now the upload feature works as expected. That's the foundation, a clean, modern setup with reliable upload, transcription, and dashboard tools ready to scale. Next, let's level up the transcription engine. We want this app to handle long recordings, up to an hour, and still get everything processed quickly, ideally under 5 minutes per file. On top of that, we want transcripts to clearly show who's speaking, so we need speaker differentiation. And before users even upload their file, we want them to be able to choose a language. We're going to tell the AI to support long recordings up to 1 hour with fast processing, 5 minutes or less per hour. Include speaker differentiation so transcripts show who said what. Allow users to choose a language before uploading. The app uses OpenAI's transcription model to convert audio or video into text. To keep things running smoothly for longer files, we'll implement smart audio chunking, and everything also gets queued in the background. So even when it's a big file, the system stays stable and responsive. On the front end, we now have a drop-down menu that lets users select a language before uploading. That input is passed to the backend, where transcription requests are routed based on the selected language. For speaker labels, each person in the audio is automatically tagged, like speaker 1, speaker 2, and so on. And each speaker has a different highlight color to make the transcript easier to read. Now, if transcription ever slows down, like with a full hour video taking too long, we can fix that by going back into Replit and saying, "The app is taking too long transcribing a 1 hour long video." Replit responds by optimizing the workflow, offloading the file processing into a background thread to speed things up and reduce load time. With this in place, we've now got a fast, multilingual transcription engine with clear speaker separation. With this in place, we've now got a fast, multilingual transcription engine with clear speaker separation, even for long-form meetings. Now, we know that fast-paced meetings with global teams, switching between two languages happens all the time, whether it's a bilingual client call or a cross-border strategy session. Trying to keep up with both languages can get chaotic. That's why we're going to add a real-time bilingual transcription feature, so the app can handle both languages at once and keep everything organized. Let's tell the AI, add real-time bilingual transcription support for live meetings. The app should transcribe 2 spoken languages simultaneously and provide side-by-side translation, useful for bilingual calls and international teams. Let users select both primary and secondary languages before starting. To make this work, the app uses WebRTC for live audio capture and streams everything through sockets to update the transcript continuously in real time. On the backend, it runs dual language inference with 2 AI models working in parallel, so it's listening for both the primary and secondary language at the same time. Right at the start of each session, users choose their preferred languages. Once the meeting begins, the system automatically detects which language is being spoken and updates the transcript accordingly. Both transcripts appear side by side, complete with timestamps, so it's easy to follow who's saying what and in which language. If the app is running but nothing seems to appear while it's listening, we'll go back to Replit and say, "Nothing is showing up as it is listening." Replit traces the issue to a missing fronted event listener and patches it. After that, the real-time transcription kicks in and updates flow smoothly again. This feature gives the app a major edge for cross-language communication, all happening live with no lag and full context. Now, after a long meeting, no one wants to scroll through a wall of text just to remember what was agreed on. What people actually need are the highlights, what was decided, what needs to get done, and what the client really said. So now we're adding a one-click summary feature that does exactly that. Let's tell the AI, add a one-click summarize meeting button. Use AI to extract key elements from transcripts, decisions made, action items, customer insights, and display the summary in an organized format with bullet points or headings. As soon as the feature is live, I can say this is a major highlight of the app. When users press the button, OpenAI instantly scans the entire transcript and returns a structured summary. It separates everything into clear categories, starting with the actual decisions made during the meeting, followed by the action items that came out of those discussions, including who's responsible if that information is available. Lastly, it picks up on any insights mentioned throughout the call, such as pain points, reactions, or specific needs. Each summary is saved directly alongside the original transcript for easy access later, and if any part of the transcription gets edited afterward, users can simply regenerate a fresh version of the summary based on the latest content. This makes it incredibly easy to walk away from a meeting with clarity. Summarizing a meeting is great for personal clarity, but most work doesn't happen alone. It happens in teams. Once the transcript and summary are ready, the real value kicks in when teammates can jump in, leave thoughts, and highlight key moments together. That's where collaboration tools come in. Let's drop this prompt. Allow users to share transcripts and summaries instantly with a link. Enable comments on specific transcript lines with support for @mentions. Add a clip and share feature where users can select audio snippets and generate shareable links for key moments. After running that, the app gets a set of features that make teamwork frictionless. Now, users can leave comments on exact lines of the transcript, tag teammates using @mentions, and trigger notifications so feedback doesn't get lost in the shuffle. There's also a powerful clip sharing feature. Users can highlight a section of the audio, trim it with a simple drag and drop timeline tool, and generate a direct link to that exact moment. It's ideal for sharing just the important bits without making someone sit through the whole meeting. If you run into issues like clicking the share button and nothing happens, or the link fails to load, we'll walk back into Replit and say, "Nothing happens when I click the share button. We failed to create a share link, and we got a page not found ever after navigating to the link provided by the share feature." All of these will get traced to a problem with how the links are generated. Once we shift to UUID-based routing, everything will work as expected. Fast, secure, and reliable. Once the team has reviewed the transcript, added comments, and clipped the key moments, the final step is usually exporting it, whether for documentation, follow-ups, or attaching to our report. So now we're gonna add flexible export options that work across different formats. We will tell Replit what we want. Add export options for transcripts and summaries. Multiple export formats: TXT, Word doc, PDF, SRT. After that prompt, the app adds a drop-down menu with 4 export formats. Users can now choose plain text for quick notes, Word documents for style headings for more formal reports, PDFs that include branding and watermarks, or SRT files that sync perfectly with video playback. Each export is formatted with clean layout and structure, so the output is instantly usable without any reformatting. Just select the format, hit export, and you're ready to go. This wraps up the documentation side of the app, giving users a complete path from raw meeting audio to polished, shareable records. After exporting transcripts and summaries, for sure some users are gonna want more. Longer uploads, faster results, and smarter features. To support that, we're adding a Stripe-powered subscription system, so users can unlock premium tools without hassle. Here's what we are going to tell Replit. Integrate Stripe to handle subscriptions for premium features. Use Stripe Checkout and allow users to view or manage billing in an account settings page. With that prompt, Stripe Checkout gets integrated using secure token handling. Each user starts on a free tier by default. When they decide to upgrade, they're redirected to Stripe's hosted checkout page to complete the payment. Once that's done, a webhook automatically updates their account and unlocks premium access. Premium users now get extended upload limits for longer audio, advanced speaker labeling for more accuracy, and priority processing for faster meeting summaries. Everything updates in real time, and the billing status is visible inside the account settings page. We also include auto-renewal reminders and an option to cancel the subscription anytime. If after subscribing, the dashboard doesn't reflect the upgrade, we'll go back into Replit and say, after being redirected after a successful subscription, nothing was changed. Redirect straight to the dashboard and show a premium badge. Replit fixes the issue by adding a verification step after checkout and refreshing the user's state. Now, users land back on the dashboard with the premium badge visible and all upgrade features instantly available. With Stripe in place, we now have a clear path to monetization. monetization, offering real value while keeping the upgrade process smooth and secure. While premium features create one revenue stream, we also want to monetize the free tier experience without making the app feel cluttered or disruptive. That's where Google AdSense comes in. We're gonna add responsive styled banner ads to key public-facing pages, but only for free users. Let's tell the Replit AI. Add Google AdSense banner ads to the web app interface. Display the ads on key public-facing pages like the dashboard and upload screen for free tier users. Ads should be responsive, non-intrusive, and styled to match the overall UI. Make sure premium users do not see ads after upgrading. To implement this, we start by inserting ad containers into the dashboard and upload screen templates. Using standard Google AdSense code, we place ins tags and the ads by Google.push bracket logic directly into the HTML. A flag in the user's session determines whether the ads should render. So if someone's on a free account, they'll see the ads, but premium users won't. The styling is handled with CSS to make sure everything matches the app's UI. The ads are spaced out using grid-friendly divs, and we test the layout across devices to confirm it stays responsive and clean. No UX disruptions, just subtle, well-placed monetization. Once the setup is in place, we follow the official AdSense deployment steps. Replit already supports ad rendering, so we will focus on production readiness. The Google AdSense code snippet is added to the app's header or layout component to ensure ads appear across all eligible pages. After that, we redeploy the app with all ad containers in place. Next, we verify domain ownership in the Google AdSense dashboard and check that our site meets all eligibility criteria. Once that's confirmed, we are now going to formally submit the app for AdSense review. The review process usually takes a few days. During this time, the ad containers remain in place, and once approval is granted, the ads begin displaying automatically. As soon as ads go live, we start tracking performance using the AdSense Analytics panel, including visibility and interaction metrics. We will also add fallback behavior so that if ads fail to load or get blocked, the layout remains stable and the UI doesn't break. We just built a complete AI meeting app, from file uploads and fast transcription to speaker tags, bilingual support, one-click summaries, team collaboration, export tools, and full monetization with Stripe and AdSense. Every feature was added using natural language prompts, no coding required, and everything runs smoothly inside Replit. If you're planning to build your own AI-powered tool, this flow gives you a full blueprint to follow. Hey, like the video if it helped, and drop a comment with what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe. More app builds are on the way. See you in the next one.